I'm an American.
American makes burek.
But today
I wanna see this shit. Bulke, lele, it's burek. Burek, okay? Meat? Onion, you have to cut very small. That's too big. Parsley! Makakav parsley, bre! No, jebote!
It's a can.
Can of dough! My friend, for burek, the dough is very thin. We stretch, and then roll. Not this, what you doing.
When we put on this mystery liquid.
What is this shit? Eggs! My friend, are you making a moussaka or the burek? Or are you making the boat, the busaka? No. This is not burek. My friends, maybe this tastes good, look good, but I tell you, it's not burek.